Yeah, you look great.
Thank you.
And the street is fantastic parking on a Saturday morning, so that's
And there's music on the street on the weekend,
Oh.
live music.
with the shopping and
Where
the
where the
cafes.
Farley's coffee shop is.
Oh yeah, and why is
There-
the street closed right now?
Because so that they can put the tables out.
Yeah.
They do that on the weekend, so they
Okay.
can put more. This is the entrance from the street.
Mm-hmm.
This is our kitchen,
Yeah.
which will be eventually expanded, and this is where Human makes his Persian cooking,
Okay.
and I'm relegated to making salads and things that don't make a
So
big
we're
mess.
in San Francisco, and Alan just moved from. Oops.
Atos.
It's not working right. Hold on. Let me get this set up straight. It's supposed to follow you, but we'll figure that part out soon enough, eventually. But anyway,
Well, these
let's
chairs
walk
are
around.
open.
Let's walk
Okay.
around. Okay, that's the idea.
Okay.
We're going to show
Okay.
off your new house.
Yeah, this is
For those
lovely.
who can't come here, then you can show people.
This is
So
the
we're
living
on.
room.
What floor is this of all the floors?
This is, well, it depends how you, this is the third floor,
Okay.
which is one floor above the entrance.
Yeah. And
This is the master bedroom.
there's a beautiful chandelier. If I can get it to zoom in over there. Okay, I got to learn how to use the little gimbal thing.
This is a piece of art that I told you that he bought.
Okay, yeah, nice. Oh, it's 3D. I like that. It's pieces of wood.
Yeah.
Okay, and then keep going. There's
This is the
art.
master bedroom.
So this is the view that goes with the
view.
master bedroom.
Although Human says that, why would I want to look at that view when I can look at him?
Cute.
That's
Cute little
the
conversation
Salesforce-
piece.
Salesforce Tower.
Mm-hmm.
This is the bathroom, the master bathroom.
Okay. Ooh, look at this.
Giant
Now this is
tub.
all gonna go away. That's me in the mirror. Hey,
We have
buddy.
not been able to fit more than 9 people in this tub at once. Nobody had their clothes on, so we could fit an extra one. So.
And look, there's a bathtub view. So here's the spa, and
There
there's
is.
the nice view.
But once again,
Okay.
Human says, why would I look at the view when I can look at him? So.
Right, I love the walk-in shower. That's nice. And then the art, all of your beautiful art, weird, wacky, and wonderful art.
And then the top floor is up here.
Okay.
And beautiful floors, as you said.
Yeah.
This
if I
art
can get
piece
this-
is from Brazil.
Yeah. That's right. Your art piece you got from Brazil on your trip. This is all Aptos art. A lot of it was at your Aptos home, which
This is-
sold.
This is the TV room and the party room.
Okay.
And just so you know, if you're watching this on, you can always crash the parties. You never have too many people.
Yeah.
So.
I can't figure out how to turn it towards you. Here we go. Got it. All right.
The view is particularly nice from here.
This is your TV party room
Yes, exactly.
when everything's done. And here's the patio deck
Yes.
and the view
With
of
the
the
view.
city. I'm trying to zoom into the view.
Which is the best view in the house.
Look at that. Have you already waved hi to them before?
Yeah.
How funny.
They waved to me and then I waved back.
Aww. They're going to be your best friends pretty soon.
I already met some woman just on the street. I started talking to her, and I'm inviting her over for champagne on Thursday.
Oh, old-fashioned lights. Yeah, this is really pretty. And then the orchids, the amount of orchids in this house is incredible.
Human did all the arrangements.
Yeah. And then
Still-
here's my tree. And
There's
you know
your
what I
tree,
mean.
I
You know
know.
what I mean.
Oh,
Oh, my tree. Okay, and then the flooring in here is just gorgeous. Look at this beautiful tile floor. And now this is the this is the, not the lowest floor.
no.
This will become the master bedroom floor at one
right.
time.
Exactly.
So,
The beautiful garden.
Yeah, the beautiful garden. We try to get down.
And this is a very interesting, so it looks like, if you look straight ahead, it looks like there's a gate leading out, but that's actually a mirage.
What do you mean a mirage? It's a gate.
It's not a gate, it's glass painted to look like a gate.
Oh. Flooring matches.
Well, so
look at on the other side too.
This is an interesting thing. All three people got together, and it was written up in the San Francisco Chronicle.
Okay, so it was a community thing. So everyone had a nice view from their windows.
Yeah,
the matching yards and everything.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, that's a mirror glass.
That's mirror glass.
Oh, it looks like the neighbor has a wall with the same fence, but no. When you look at the house. The house
look at
has
the tile in this one, and look at the tile over there. It's the same tile.
I see that. Actually, if you look at it carefully, you see now that if you look up, it's a house. It walls up to a house.
Yeah.
And then you have this whole neighborhood feel, like the beautiful upscale neighborhood kind of look alongside your gorgeous view of the downtown. Yeah.
This is a piece of art from New Zealand.
Okay.
And they're matching.
Hi, everybody.
The same.
Oh, the same.
Is that clever? That's art of mine.
Oh, that is really
cute,
clever.
Yeah, that's the clever.
The clever one.
Art
oh.
imitating reality.
Yeah, that's nice. I love the flooring. Bye-bye flooring. We're 10 minutes in, and there's a whole other floor we haven't
This is where the Airbnb is.
Okay, so if they get it together, this will be a separate entryway.
Yes, and anybody who's watching this video will get a 15% discount.
On the first rentals while they fix it up.
The first 3 rentals.
The first 3 rentals, yes. Okay.
Yes.
So if you have guests from coming out of town, those who live in the area.
I think this is a gay-friendly household if you look at the pillows.
Oh, right, the pillows. Oh, I love those Western, I've seen those. The stud muffin pillows.
Somebody asked me if that was me when I was young, and I said,
of course,
I don't think I looked back there.
Charmers, that's all. Now we're back to the garden again and another view. And then so the Airbnbers do get access to the garden, and there's a lot you can do with that to get.
Yes, exactly.
This is the beautiful warm shower with the heater on. It's fabulous. I love this.
Sorry.
I like the lighting too. All this lighting is really nice. The little light fixtures.
Yeah. Exactly. So that's the house.
And the kitchenette.
The kitchenette.
I think that's enough, don't you?
I think that's it. Thank you, audience.
We can walk down the street now
for sharing
and have the cherries on the way. Come back and have cherries.
Yes, exactly.
Let's go. Let's see.
Do I look beautiful enough?